everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel today. This is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna, the Moon Tarot. Let's see what is the timeless energy update has to say about you and your person. It doesn't matter whenever you come across this particular reading, it is meant to find you when it is meant to find you. So without a further ado, we shall start this particular reading. So this reading is for the people who are in a relationship, married, not married, going through a separation or a no contact situation, or the spark in their connection has gone completely and you're looking for answers whether there is a third party in this particular connection. If there is a third party, then when is it that the third party is going to leave the connection and your person is going to come back and reconcile with you? So in case if you have all these questions or not, if you have all these questions, this particular reading is going to resonate with majority of you. In case if you've been asking yourself after moving on, is your person missing you right now? Are they still in love with you? Have they moved on, or are they with someone else? Then this is the perfect place you have landed today. So let's start. You know the drill. Hit the like button to connect with my energies, because every energy exchange is important and that needs to be done. Okay, so let's see. Hit the like button and in the comment section write I claim this energy. Okay, and let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you. Take 3 deep breath. Take your person's name, hit the like button again to connect with my cards and my energy, and let's see what's happening. Okay, somebody seems to be overthinking right now. It seems like either they have walked away from the connection, even though if they are in this connection, your person is overthinking what they need to do, how they need to do, and there can be some past abandonment issue or the abandonment that they have done in this particular connection. They are thinking whether they did the right thing or they did not do the right thing. They are feeling very bad. They are thinking inside out about this particular connection and thinking whether they took the right decision or not. It can be you, it can be their energy, just take how it may resonate. But with the 4 of Swords, I do see that there is a lot of thought process going on, especially at night. So your person may be busy the entire day, but when it comes to night, this person cannot stop thinking, because throughout the day they can be busy working or not working, whatsoever it is, but at night the demons are haunting them. In case if you have left the connection, they are still thinking about you. In case if they have left the connection, they are still thinking about you. In case if there is loneliness in this connection, even though being with each other, then they are still thinking what went wrong. Okay, this person can also be somebody who's still struggling with past abandonment issues, so that can also be a challenge here for few of you. King of Pentacles, this person is no doubt maybe dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and this person is somebody who wants to build a good life, a very secured life, financially abundant life, and they want to make a life wherein they can live with you comfortably. This person seems to be like very focused on their finances and building their finances, growing their finances, and building their own home, so that they give you that comfort, they give you that zone wherein you feel comfortable being with them as a life partner. Okay, so I do see with the King of Pentacles, this person definitely is thinking about it. And in case if you've been wondering whether your person is missing you or not, in case if they have moved on, otherwise as well, in a no contact situation, is the reconciliation possible, and are they missing you or not? The answer is absolutely yes, 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 and absolutely yes. Reconciliation is definitely there. They are missing you. They are going back and forth in the memory lane. They are thinking about what went wrong, how things fizzled out of their hands. With the 6 of Cups, they are missing all the good memories that they have spent with you. They are thinking about all the things that you guys did together, and it is actually putting a smile on their face right now. And it seems like that, while I'm talking right now, they are thinking about you, and when they are thinking about you, they're just smiling. So just smile right now. Okay, And I feel that, uh, they haven't moved on from you, they haven't been able to move on from you, even though they may have asked you to move on, or you thought that they are moving on from you. The answer is no, they haven't been able to move on from you at all. I do see them thinking about you. I do see them still holding the emotions for you. This person is still holding the cup, this child is still holding the cup, and when they think about you, they feel on top of the world. Okay, and whatever you guys have done together, they are thinking about those situations. And so sorry guys, two cards flew out. And these two cards are very important card. You know why? Because with six of cups, 10 of cups, and the 5 of cups, first and foremost thing, this person seems to be very emotional, can be dealing with the Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces over here. I see that moving out or moving on or fighting with you did not do any good to them. The karmas are haunting them, and now they seem to be regretting their own action. They seem to be asking themselves whether they did the right thing or not by pushing you away, and that is not what they wanted to do. Now when they have done it, they now realize what they have lost, and they are looking for a new beginning here. The Fool itself tells me that they are looking for a new beginning here, and they can't be away from you. They miss you, they want to be with you, they regret leaving this connection, they regret leaving you. And I do see that somewhere down the line, this particular situation in this relationship has turned out in your favor. Why I say that it has turned out in your favor? Because I see that even though they moved on, they moved out, or whatsoever, no contact situation, or even if you guys are together but the spark is gone, in every situation, just try to fit in this particular reading. In every situation right now, I see regrets are there, a fresh brand new beginning, desire is there, the missing energy, the old memories, thinking about, visualizing, imagining their old life with you is there, a stable life with you, thought about that is there. And a 10 of cups, having a family with you is there. 9 of wands. Okay, it seems like somebody may have even blocked. So in case if you've been wondering what is Neha talking about, because my person has blocked me or asked me to move on and they are not even ready to respond, then I do understand. Because I see 9 of wands, heart chakra blocked, completely blocked. This person is actually guarding their heart. With the 6 of pentacles, I feel that somewhere down the line, this person is trying to balance everything. With the 9 of swords, I feel that they felt that in the past they did not do justice to this particular connection, because you were the one who was only giving and they were the one who were on the receiving end. With the 9 of swords, now I feel they're going into a depression. Okay, they are feeling so bad and mad about how they behaved with you in this particular connection, that they are not even able to sleep at night. And why they moved on from this connection can be financial issues as well. They wanted to focus on their financial stability, on their work, on their business, whatever they do, but they wanted to focus there. That's why they sort of moved on, which broke their heart and which is breaking their heart. And the karma, the wheel is turning, is turning now, and they are feeling bad as to how they left you, because their karma is actually punishing them. Okay, and they never thought that it is going to be so hard leaving this connection, because the no contact and the realization both are now going to get over. The realization is going to come, the wheel is going to turn in your favor, and your weight, my dear, is going to get over. This is such a wonderful reading. So in upcoming, within the month of July itself, I see that things are going to become better, and the weight is going to get over. The frustration that was building up in you, that is going to end, and you are going to feel successful, powerful, and you are the one who's going to drive this particular relationship with this person. Now you have learned your lesson, they have learned the lesson, their karma is showing them what they did, and it's punishing them. Your thing is that you have gone through so much that now, more than your emotions, your brain is working, so you're going to be a little manipulative with this person when they return. Okay, you are going to be a little manipulative, because I see within upcoming 2 weeks or 2 months you are again going to reconcile and be in this soulmate connection. Okay, this is a soulmate connection. This particular connection is carried forward from your past life. You're going to be with this person, and whatever miseries that you have gone through, it is going to get fulfilled. So this is a beautiful connection, guys, beautiful connection. So guys, by the way, the full moon of 10th of July, the bookings for spell work and readings are open. And trust me, the 10th of July is going to be very powerful for performing spells. When it comes to love spells specifically, it is going to be very, very, very powerful. And in this particular situation, if this reading resonates with you, go for 21 days love combo, or go for love reconciliation communication spell. And in case if you're already talking to your person, then go for love obsession. If you're not talking to your person, then go for love reconciliation. Okay, if you want commitment as well, you want communication channel to open, you want the obsession to come in, then 21 days love combo. All right, book it right now. In case if there's a third party and you want to remove that, then go for the third party removal spell. So the slots are limited. Before it gets filled, please, please, please go ahead and book. I'm going to see you later. Bye bye.